Any Mr. X knowledge I can drop today? This is what I can tell you guys. This is what I can tell you. I don't know. Maybe send me something. He did you send me in just a second? Let me.
Y'all better be smashing the like right now.
Here we go. Let's see if I can. Okay. I want to pull this up real quick. He sent me a message. I thought Cameron said, you know, does he have any knowledge? That's pretty funny, isn't it? That's pretty good. Because, you know, I said, you know, yeah, that was a little self-deprecation by Mr. X there. Pretty funny. No, I have not heard of that one on Tweet. What do I think about IMX? I'm out on IMX. I'm out on it. I'll ask Mr. X. I haven't asked him about it, but
do you think, because Gary he went after IMX shortly, they did a sentiment notice after one visit. Do you think that may help recover? I mean, all the BS aside, you think with Gary gone, do you think IMX has a better chance moving forward?
I don't. Well, I don't think Gary being gone matters at all. That isn't really what matters. Gary being gone. What matters is sentiment has changed. Mr. X is in the building. There is stuff. I don't mean that literally, but what I mean is there's stuff moving and it's all going forward. So all of this was going to happen either way. It's going to happen much easier this way, you know. So, but I don't think that Gary is not in charge of anything. Gary has never made a decision in the SEC. I hope you guys understand that. That's why he went across party lines to vote for the ETF. He had to. He was made to. Okay, that's the way that works, guys. And thinking any other way is probably wrong. Okay, so Solana surged record high above 260. Look at these Solana nerds. Continuing a massive comeback from a crypto winter price collapse of more than 95%. It has shattered its all-time highs, trading above $263. And man, I tell you, it feels great to be not only the master and commander of the XRP army, but also the Sultan of Solana, the leader of the Solana soldiers. Man, what a great pivot. I got to say, in all of my years of being on the internet, my pivot to the Sultan of Solana is actually probably my favorite move I've ever done in crypto. Because there are people now in the Solana community that do actually kind of think I'm in charge. They think I am important in the Solana community. I guess I am because I'm important everywhere in crypto. Like, not important, but you guys understand what I mean. I have some influence. And, you know, it is funny. It's one of my favorite things I've ever done. That, and when Cassie and I came up with the idea to add sponsored by stake.com at the end of everything I did, and I wore the stake.com tie to court that day, that was all great stuff. Those are two of my favorite things I've ever done. But man, let's see. So the odds of there being a soon US-based spot Solana ETF have increased greatly. I can tell you this. I'm told whoever this Treasury Secretary is, I don't know who it is yet, but I've been told there's someone coming. Now, look, I can't guarantee this because remember, there are fights behind the scenes, so it's not unequivocal, okay? Even Mr. X has fights with people, okay? Or he always wins, but I digress. The point is that I've been told that there's going to be a Treasury Secretary pick made next week. Nobody has been talking about. And it makes me wonder if it's Jamie Dimon, but people were talking about that months ago, but nobody has said it since Donald Trump has won. I don't know. Is that who it could be? He did not tell me that. I have nothing to base that off of, but that would be interesting. But I'm not saying it is going to be him. That's just a kind of a wild guess. And I actually don't think that's right. I think that he probably wouldn't have meant him since it was mentioned, you know, several months ago. But anyways, it's very interesting stuff to see what all is going on here, because that Howard Lutnick pick from Cantor Fitzgerald for the Commerce Secretary, guys, that is a dog whistle. Bullish. All right. Charles Schwab looking to offer spot crypto trading upon regulatory changes. Incoming CEO confirms. Now, what do you guys think that this article means? Charles, what do you think they're trying to communicate here? Charles Schwab looking to offer spot crypto trading upon regulatory changes. Incoming CEO confirms. They're telling you at some point in the future, out of nowhere, Charles Schwab is going to go super bullish overnight and have some crazy crypto entrance story. That's what they do, right? Or at least here with a crypto exchange, spot trading. Look at this. You want to get your nice cold Bitcoin.
It's raining bit.
Hallelujah. It's raining Bitcoin.
Satoshis, I suppose.
It's raining Satoshis. Rick Wurster. Some say he's the bester, but who knows? Incoming Schwab CEO says he anticipates crypto regulation will change. And look at this guy. He's got a nice,
good chin.
He's got good chin posture.
I have a strong neck.
Sorry, I just snotted everywhere. Sorry, I snotted on camera. Okay. Much snot. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. XDC, this cycle top. I don't know what that means, but what will the XDC be at? I don't have price prediction, but I'm only XRP in that kind of those ISO 20022 coins that we're kind of being bantered about. Thoughts on Proppy and Aurelio? They're both two of the RWA projects I see doing very well. Try to keep up with super chats, guys. Now, good time to DCA into GFI and ALF. Look, no, I don't think so. I think you should already have those bags. If you don't have those bags right now, then there's no point to get those bags. If you don't have those bags already, these are bags you need to get at a certain time. I don't think right now is when you want to get into these coins. Now's a good time to dollar cost average into things that are in the top 50 to 100 that have not super pumped yet, but you believe have potential. That's where you want to be right now. Stop getting ahead of where we're at in the cycle. You know where we're at in the cycle right now? Whew, top 100 about the moon. Top 100, top 150. That's where you need to be looking right now. There's going to be, guys, these low cappers pop up overnight all the time, and you can ride these pumps. This is going to be your last chance potentially until we get to the first peak to get some bags of some things that are going to do well, that are unequivocally going to do well. There's no way Filecoin's not going to do well in this bull run. 0% chance. Unless there's some kind of crazy black swan. It turns out the Winklevoss twins are really married to each other secretly. I would probably be out. And they would also. Sorry. Look, I don't want to say what I'm about to say, but I am going to say it because I want people to know this is not like I'm not comparing anything about the bad things that these guys did to these guys. But Winklevoss twins have like kind of some Menendez brother vibes. Have you seen the show? Have you seen the Menendez brothers show? Like, I don't know. Just they have that kind of thing. I don't know. It's hard to explain really. But sometimes you see twins and they're like, man, those Winklevoss twins, they are like that. They look like inseparable twins. Then you got Gary and what's his brother's name? Rob?
I have no clue.
I think it's Rob. Robbie Gensler? Gary and Robbie?
Yeah.
You ever see them talk about each other? Ever seen them together? No. You ever seen the Winklevoss twins together? Every time you see them almost. Right? And that's what I kind of meant. Like, they're like always together. Right, even in business and conferences and stuff, sometimes you see one of them making a quote and the other one not. But I see them together a lot, and I don't know. I've never had a twin. Have you?